Hello student, myself Nazneen Akhtar. Welcome to my study channel Naz Studies. Today the topic is on extrachromosomal inheritance or cytoplasmic inheritance or maternal effect. In the last video I have told you about what is cytoplasmic inheritance and I have also differentiated it with the nuclear inheritance. Here we will study about the cases in cytoplasmic inheritance. There are so many cases which are studied in case of cytoplasmic inheritance. First, we will go with the plastid inheritance in Mirabilis jalapa. Other process is cell coiling in snail, kappa particles in Paramecium, and mitochondrial yeast inheritance. So, this is the different types of cases which we will study in cytoplasmic inheritance. Now, let's discuss about plastid inheritance in Mirabilis jalapa. Mirabilis jalapa is also called as 4-o'clock plant. It is 4-o'clock plant, and what we see in this plant, the leaf of that plant has the plant has three types of branches. One is green branch, other is white branch, and third one is your variegated branch. Those plants which have a green branch, obviously they have a green leaf, and the reason of the green leaf is to the presence of chloroplast. That is, the chloroplast is the plastid. So because of the chloroplast, the leaf is green. In the second cases which we see, the white branch is there, and the leaf which is this was white leaf, and that is because of leucoplast. We know leucoplast is also a plastid, and it is a colorless plastid. Then variegated branch. Variegated branch will keep green and white spot or green and white patches. The patches formation green with white patches in a green. It is because of the chloroplast and leucoplast both. Means in the variegated branch and variegated leaf, we will see there is also a presence of chloroplast, also a presence of leucoplast. Because of these two combination of plastid, what is come in the leaf, that is both leaf green and white patches, and that is called as variegated. Now, what happened? Where we made a cross, reciprocal cross. I have yesterday also told you about that. What is reciprocal cross? The cross between male and female. When we cross male with the female or female with the male, that is reciprocal cross, in which we have seen that in the nuclear inheritance, reciprocal cross are same in case of nuclear inheritance. And we know that the reciprocal cross is not same. See how it is not same? When we cross green leaf, okay, the plant is male and it possesses green leaf, and white leaf, that is of female plant. This is female, this one is male. Okay, so when it is crosses between the sperm and egg, what we see, there is a fusion, and the fusion result to zygote. And when the plant which is coming from here, okay, that possesses white leaf, and it is the reason is because of leucoplast. So in the cytoplasm, what we found in the female, because we know that the cytoplasm is shared by the female. So the cytoplasm possesses leucoplast, and that is why the plant which come out from this cross has a white leaf. So because here the egg is shared and the leaf is white, so these two are white leaf. Now we change the cross, reciprocals. Now we change it. Now this before it was green leaf, okay. Now the green leaf is female. Here we take the green leaf, female. Before it was white leaf. Now in the reciprocal cross we will change it. Now here the leaf of the green leaf is your female, and pale leaf is your male. This one is your male. So when the process is made, we will see the resultant which is come out is green leaf. Why green leaf? Because here the cytoplasm here also it is shared by the female. So here as the leaf is green, okay, so the result is also green leaf. So here what we see? Here we see white leaf, because here the female which contribute this one has a white leaf because of the presence of leucoplast. In the same, and here we see it has green leaf, female has a green leaf. so the result is coming green. So this is why. This is because it is the egg cytoplasm is shared by the female, and that is your cytoplasmic inheritance. Now we will understand this one with one more diagram. See here, female, okay, female parent, and we made the cross with the male parent. In this diagram, you can understand that this one is green, this one is white, and this one is your variegated. So when the green, as it is, this one only have female. Okay, when it is shared with the green leaf here, what the resultant is come? Green. When the green is crossed with the white, the resultant is again green. When the green is crossed with the variegated, again the resultant is your green. Why? Because the female has a green. So the resultant plant which is coming from it, okay, from the cross, that is green in color. In this case, we are seeing it has a female. So when the female with white leaf cross with this green one, it gives white. Here also give white. When white is crossed with the white, here it crossed with variegated, it is coming white. But in case of variegated, this one is your variegated, and we know variegated has a patches of both white and green. So here we will see when the variegated is crossed with the green, it come green also. When the variegated is crossed with the green, it come white also. When the variegated is crossed with the green, it come variegated also. So why here only not variegated? Green, white, variegated, three types. It depends upon the concentration of the chloroplast and the leucoplast. Those who have high concentration of chloroplast, the variegated female will cross with the green, as it may have white large concentration of chloroplast, so it come green. If it variegated cross with the green, but the resultant is white, it means it has more number of leucoplast. It depends upon the concentration in the cytoplasm. Either chloroplast is more or leucoplast is more. If they have both in equal concentration, the resultant come is variegated. In the same way, when this variegated cross with the white, the resultant is green, the resultant is white, and the resultant is your variegated. Same reason, because of the presence of chloroplast and leucoplast and its concentration, it is decided either it will be green or white, or if it has equal concentration, then it is variegated. And in the same case here, variegated also, it has variegated, green, then white, then variegated. So when the variegated cross with the variegated. So in this way, the cross is made where it depends upon the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm decide either the plant which is coming from this cross, either it will be green or white or variegated type. So this is all about the study in Mirabilis jalapa 4 o'clock plant in chloroplast. So students, this is one of the cases I have teach you now with the variegated in plastid or chloroplast mutations. Come now with the second cases, that is our cell coiling in